Welcome, from me is a Samsung Galaxy A42, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So starting off, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, and for me I'm gonna use settings as an example. Once it's open, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down. Or it looks like you just press it. So once you press it, just allow this, and there we go. So it captured a screenshot. Now as you can see, there's also several other things that we can do. So we have share, edit. We can also capture a scrollable one. Once you tap on it, it will expand it, as you can see. You can keep tapping on it and keep going down. Now I think I just missed it, that's why it closed. Now, whichever way you do it, once you capture that screenshot, it will be from there. You can find it in your gallery app, so right over here. And as you can see, there it is. So once you actually capture that screenshot, as you can see, if you go with scrollable one, it will replace the screenshot and just extend it with the scrollable one, however many times you press on the scroll down option. But that is basically how you would capture any kind of screenshot on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.